Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, November 2nd. Stocks hate uncertainty. We had a slide yesterday, down about 0.75% across the board. A down day for almost everybody. So we had a sell-off, the S&P down 16, the Dow down 125, and the Nasdaq giving back 40. But let's remember, all-time highs were not so long ago in tech. So let's see where we go from here, if we can find some support. The S&P went below 2,100 for the first time in many months, and the Dow dipped down below 18,000. Other markets, the dollar was the leader of the day, down 73 at 97.70. We talked last week about a possible key reversal top in play, and it looks like we're getting a bit of a slide here. That gave the euro currency a bounce to back above 111, or the 110.82 price was a close, up 95. The big mover on the session was gold, up 1.5%, up $15, and crude oil was steady, but making some new relative lows. Let's remember, we were at 52 just a couple weeks ago. Yesterday's close was 46.65. So, after the decline, as markets are uncertain about what the election predicts here, we're seeing the stock market slide a little bit here this morning. The S&P right now is down 1 point, the Nasdaq's up 1 point, and the Dow futures down 25. Looking at the dollar, continues to drift lower, down 33 at 97.37. That's giving the euro currency a boost back above the 111. Let's remember, just a few sessions ago, we were below 109. So a bit of a bounce in that euro currency. Gold is on the move at $1,300 an ounce for the first time in many weeks. Right now trading up $12, up 1.5%. And crude oil right now, if we look at the board, is down 75 cents around the $46 level. Continue to move lower, even though the dollar is going down. It's not helping crude out at all. What's interesting here today, we've got the Fed announcement this afternoon. Likelihood of any interest rate hike is very, very small, slim and none just left the building. We've got the unemployment numbers on Friday, and earnings continue to come out here today. Something to pay attention to is, even though the stock market slide and assets continue to go down, we are not seeing any flight to quality in the long-term treasuries. Looking at bonds right now are at 163. We're saying steady. So we're not seeing people buying bonds for safety. Looking at the stock market right now, things are steady here this morning, but volatility is expected up ahead. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.